So we're gonna do some pulls real fast. And she pops. Well, let me hit the corner real fast. And we'll do that thing. With the window open this time too.